sheets and a suit whoop. Bitch nigga taking for his chain like no. Granny see my cup, I done lied, said it's prune juice. I threw the deuce sign when I blew through. Said my dog.
Hey guys, it's me, Paige, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something completely different. I'm going to be making stacked jeans. I'm going to show y'all step by step on how I make these. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paige VLS. I post different varieties of content. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to stay in tune for more of this. So let's get straight to the video. Depending on your look and the style that you're going for, you want to grab 2 pairs of jeans. It doesn't matter which color they are. It all depends on the type of look you're going for, but you want to grab a pair that you're going to cut and a pair that you're going to design. These Joe jeans are the ones that I'm not going to cut. These Zoe jeans are the ones that I am going to cut. With this process, you have to turn the jeans you're not cutting inside out. The next thing you want to do is to cut across the jeans you are going to wear. This is a very key important detail because if you don't cut across the bottom, it's going to make it very difficult for you to sew on the extra fabric. You want to be able to easily sew on the fabric so when you do wear your stacked jeans, it looks like one pair of jeans. Like it doesn't look like 2 different pairs of jeans. Now that I have the jeans I'm going to wear cut, I'm going to line those up with the other jeans. This purpose for lining them up is so that I know where I'm going to cut these ones. Once I had these jeans lined up, I started off by cutting them at the top. You want to cut them at the top because you're going to actually separate these pants legs. That's the purpose of cutting them at the top. And you see that I'm cutting these in a diagonal. I'm trying to separate the pants leg. So this right here is a different angle so you guys can see what I'm doing at the top part. All right, so far we got one pants leg cut. Now we gotta do the other one. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. With the jeans that you're not wearing, you also want to cut across the bottom as well so that you can sew these onto the jeans that you are wearing. This step right here is the most important step. You cannot skip this step. You have to turn the pants legs inside out. So now that I flip these inside out, I'm going to sew them onto the bottom. With these jeans, you want to put them on the outside part of the jeans you're going to wear. Like put the jeans that you're going to wear inside of those ones at the bottom. The materials that are being used is this blue thread and this needle. You want to be very, very careful when you're doing this step because you're not using a machine. This is by hand. So you want to be very careful. So at the bottom of the jeans, you want to sew these 2 together. When you're done sewing the pants legs on, you want to flip your jeans inside out so that you cannot see the thread. These racks in my pocket, that's what crime do. See my young niggas with me cause that's how the mob move. I turn the cream soda to a pop roll. Let me hit the top, everything I got exclusive. I kicked an overdrive, I ain't tryna lose. She can fuck the square nigga, had to cut her loose. My young niggas shoot like they running too. Why you lying on my name when you know the truth? Connected with no plug like the Bluetooth.